Now comes the assignment operators. So basically assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. Okay, so let us see what all assignment rules we have in Python. So equal to is basically used to assign a value to a particular variable, and plus or equal to addition and assignment. Whereas like you can like example x plus is equals to 3, which means that it is going to represent in a way which is x is equals to x plus 3. Likewise, for subtraction and assignments, here what happens is that it will perform the operation and assign the particular result to that variable. So here x is equals to x minus is equals to 4 and x is equals to x minus 4. So let me show an example. So suppose Rohini's bank balance is 10,000 and she withdraws an amount of 3,000. Find the current bank balance of Rohini. So let's see how it works. So current amount of Rohini is 10,000. Okay. So she has withdrawn amount of 30,000. Withdrawn means what? It is going to deduct the amount, right? So to check, amount is equals to minus is equals to, because it is deduction, which means that minus is equals to withdraw. So which works as x minus is equals to 3,000, which is nothing but x equals to x minus 3,000. Okay, so let me see the output of the amount. So it has to be 7,000, right? So since she has withdrawn amount of 3,000, we have used operator minus equal to, and it is deducting the amount and assigning the result to the amount variable. So when you print amount, so the value is changing from 10,000 to 7,000. The value is changing, which means that initially her bank balance was 1,000, and the like final after withdrawing the amount is 7,000. So we have manipulated the data this way. So what if I am crediting the amount? So if I'm crediting the amount, which means that I am adding into my account, so I'll use plus, right? So let me check. Sorry, so it's going to credit. Okay, so let me check. So it is 13,000. So I have my balance as 10,000. So I have also credited 3,000. So like finally it is 13,000. So here what exactly we are doing is that I am assigning 10,000 to amount, which is a variable, and later for this amount variable only, I'm manipulating the data by using plus or equal to. So likewise, for like we have learned addition and assignment, subtraction and assignment. So let us learn now about multiplication and assignment. So let me take other example. X is equals to 10, x into. So x into equal to 10. So let me print x. So we need to get what? 100, right? So this works in a way that x equal to x into 10. So initially we have assigned 10 to x, now multiplying with 10. So which means that 10 equal, like x is equals to 10 into 10. I hope you got it. And also we have division and assignment. So coming to division and assignment, so we know that by works, by gives us the value which is quotient, right? So which is that I'm going to expect 1.0. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, right? So but it takes decimal values. So let me see the output. So it is 1.0. So we have learned the difference between by, double by, and which is like, this is like int division and modulus. So let us see the difference here. So now I'm using int division, which means that I have told you that int division will give you integer value of that particular quotient, which means that it will remove the decimals and gives us the integer value. So I'm expecting 1. So let us see the output. So it is 1, right? So as I've explained, now I'm going to use modulus. Modulus always gives us the reminder of that particular value. So what is 10 by 10? Like it is the reminder is 0, right? Whenever we divided like 10 with 10, the reminder is 0 because 10 ones are 10. So the output is 0. So this is how the assignment operator works.